Can you forgive someone without talking to them at all? Of course, yes. And honestly, most real forgiveness happens exactly this way. Because forgiveness isn't a conversation with them, it's a release inside you. And that's what the Ho'oponopono prayer is really about. It's not about fixing the other person, it's about clearing what's still living inside you, the anger, the hurt, the heaviness. Okay, wait. Let's do this together. Close your eyes and think of the person, not their face necessarily, but their soul. And if it helps, imagine a color around them, whatever comes naturally. Simply repeat, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Not because you were wrong, but because you're choosing to let go. You can do this anytime, morning, night, whenever you remember. And when you do this consistently, forgiveness becomes freedom without another conversation or without waiting for an apology.